Hi guys, it's Nunu. So I'm here in home of our English 103 Canvas course. I'm scrolling down and I'm going to click on this handy link to modules that I have right here. Now, as you know, you can access modules via this link right here, or we can go here to the left menu and click on modules, and modules contains links to all of our weekly lesson plans and readings. So we started in week 9, which is our first week, week 1 of the 8-week semester, but week 9 of the traditional 16-week semester. And wow, can you believe it? We're already here at week 11, our third week, November 5th through 11th. What do we have to do? We have 2 assignments: Online Thought Journal 3, Life After Death, post by Wednesday and respond to 2 pairs by Friday. And we have our week 11 discussion essay, What is Critical Thinking? 1,000 words, 4 pages, 120 points. Please read the directions in these assignments very carefully, okay? And as always, if you have any questions, you can chat with me here in inbox or visit me during office hours. I have updated my office hours so they're more convenient to you. I am available Monday and Wednesday from 12:45 to 2:15 p.m. in General Classroom Building 210D, and that information is in our syllabus. And again, if you have a question, click on inbox right here. Okay, so have a great week. I'm taking us back up to home, and I'm reminding you that you can get to our class assignments through modules in the left menu, or you can use this handy link right down here. All right, have a good week.